All right, you follow my YouTube channel, you follow me on TikTok, you're a member in my Discord, you're a subscriber at copyandwin.com, whatever the case. You're just really good at trading the stock market and you figured out a way, whether you're getting my help or doing it on your own, you know how to win. Here's the mistake you're making. You've become a slave to your computer, and that's no different than being a slave to a job. You don't need to work 40, 50, 60 hours a week in the stock market. The morning volatility is really all you need if you think about it. Take a look at our Discord. You'll see that we make most of our very profitable trades by 10 a.m. in the morning. Trade from 8:30 a.m. to 10 or 10:30 and then go live your life. If you get used to that lifestyle and you accept that, you'll find that you can tailor your account size and the trades you take in the morning to be very profitable in just a few hours every day. That, my friend, is how you gain not only financial wealth, but emotional wealth and a wealth of lifestyle, because every day that goes by, you don't get it back tomorrow. Why slave in front of a computer for 8 hours? You're trying to get away from that 9 to 5. So how about you make it an 8:30 to 10:30 a.m. every day? You can do it. You know I'm right. You know how to win. Stop thinking you have to trade all day. If you are honest with yourself, you're probably going to realize that all your profits in the morning, you don't equal them in the afternoon. In fact, you may make worse trades in the afternoon during slower volatility and when you're fatigued. Trade in the morning. Change your life. Live your best life, my friend.